Hi students, welcome to 7th standard living science class. Let's go to our first lesson. Our first lesson title name is Nutrition in Plants. What is nutrition? Nutrition is a process. What process? The nutrition is a process of taking in food. Our food containing, already, 5 types of components present in our food. The first one is carbohydrate. Second one, vitamins. Third one, mineral. Fourth one, protein. And fifth component is fat. Carbohydrate and fat are called energy givers. Vitamins and minerals are called body protectors. Proteins are called body builders. These all 5 components are commonly called nutrients. Let's read our definition for nutrition. You also know that the components of food that are necessary for our food body are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are called nutrients. The process of taking in food by an organism and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. What is the word mean by the utilization? Utilization means used by, which is used each and every cells of living organism using the energy from the nutrients. How? The nutrients give energy to each and every cells by the nutrition process to grow and repair the damaged body parts and get energy to carry out life process. Now the types of nutrition. First type name is autotrophic nutrition. Second type is heterotrophic nutrition. Look at nutrition in plants. First type autotrophic nutrition, which means an organism can make their food on their own. That means self-nutrition, or the word auto means self and trophism means nutrition. The self-nutrition done by the all greenish plants. Greenish plants only can make their food on their own by the process called photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The photo means light. Synthesis means combination of components. What are the components are combined together? Carbon dioxide, water are combined together at the presence of sunlight with the chlorophyll. They form as a main product called glucose and the byproduct called oxygen. So the photosynthesis simply we can explain with this equation: carbon dioxide plus water, it gives glucose and oxygen with the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. All greenish plants get sunlight from sun. So sun is called a ultimate source of energy. Then chlorophyll. Where is present the chlorophyll? The chlorophyll present in all greenish plants leaves and young stems of a plant. The chlorophyll present inside the chloroplast. The chloroplast is one of the cell organelle which is present in each and every cells in a plants. The chloroplast containing chlorophyll. It is a green colored pigment. It gives a green color to the chloroplast. The chloroplast have able to trap the sunlight and change the light energy into chemical energy. With the help of this energy, carbon dioxide and water join together and make a glucose as a food for the plant and byproduct oxygen. At the end of photosynthesis, the oxygen released out from the leaf. Okay, let's go how the carbon dioxide go inside the plant. The leaves lower side, a tiny pores are present in each and every leaves. That tiny pores are called stomata. The tiny pores are surrounded by guard cells. The guard cells have able to open and close. When sunlight falls on the guard cell open. While opening condition, the carbon dioxide move from atmosphere to inside the leaf cells. Then the stomatal opening closed. The carbon dioxide combined with water. The water come from the soil. Not only water come, it combined with the mineral also absorbed by the root hairs present in a root, and then go to the stem with the help of tube-like, pipe-like structure called xylem. This xylem connected the each and every parts of the plant. The xylem carry water from the root to each and every leaves of the plant. So water combined with the carbon dioxide, it gives glucose and oxygen with the help of chlorophyll at the presence of sunlight. And next type, heterotrophic nutrition. The heterotrophic nutrition means organism which cannot make their own food. In this type, some plants also come under this nutrition, and animals and human beings are also called heterotrophic nutrition. Let's see how photosynthesis happen in a plants with the help of one video. All greenish plants can able to make their own food. That process is called photosynthesis. The photosynthesis happen in a plants with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll present in a all greenish part of a plant. How plant done by the photosynthesis? The plants absorb water and minerals from the soil with the help of root hair present in the roots. These water with the mineral go with the help of the xylem pipe-like structure present in the stems and reach the each and every leaves able to getting a sunlight from the sun. Leaf is also called a food factory because of it is make their own food with the help of photosynthesis. The flat surface of leaf is called lamina, which is attached with the stem through the petiole. The leaf surface is the area for trapping a sunlight. In the cross section of a leaf, we can see two layers, upper layer, lower layer. In upper layer below, the green cells are present. These green cells containing a chloroplast. It is a chloroplast inside which is present chlorophyll. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll. And lower layers are filled by some loosely arranged cells under air spaces. These are xylem tubes which is carry water from roots to the stems and leaves. These water come from roots and entered into the leaf cells. It is a stomata. The two parts are called guard cells. When sunlight falls on them, it open and then close it. When opening a stomata, the carbon dioxide move from outside to inside the leaf cells. Then the carbon dioxide and water join together and reach the chloroplast. What are present in the chloroplast? Chlorophyll. The chlorophyll absorb the carbon dioxide and water and combine to make a synthesis process. What synthesis? Photosynthesis. The chloroplast trap the sunlight and change the carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. Oxygen and glucose come out from the chloroplast. The glucose is a energy giving thing which is traveled with the another tube like structure called phloem. Then the water particles are remaining in plants and oxygens are come out through the stomatal pores. These tiny pores are present up lower surface of a leaf. Then the stored glucose are travel from a leaves to the each and every parts of a plant, even to root also. Let's summary. Green plants can make their own food by photosynthesis. Roots absorb water and mineral, and the xylem carry the water, and the water particles entered to the leaf cells. Then stomata getting sunlight and open through the stomatal opening, carbon dioxide move inside the leaf cells. Then oxygen and carbon dioxide and water move in the chloroplast. Then the chloroplast starts its synthesis with the help of light from the sun. Then it makes a main product glucose and byproduct oxygen, which is come out through the stomata. Then remaining glucose travel from the each and every leaves to the stems and other parts of a plant.